What really happened after the earnings report were released? Everyone was really expecting in the stock market, this stock would really push the stock market on the positive side. Of course, even I was expecting the same. Of course, I have even the shares in NVIDIA stock, but something really small, minor, strange thing happened in the stock. But before that, I want to talk about earnings. Earnings were absolutely amazing. Everything was really colorful, amazing numbers as expected. But on the other hand, investors really overreacted. They overreacted even before the market got closed. They flushed down the NVIDIA stock 4%, and after the NVIDIA's earnings were released, again 4%. That really ended up to almost 9 to 10% of NVIDIA's flushing. So overreaction. This is called overreaction. But again, by time, of course, by today or by next week, NVIDIA will curl back up. But before that, the investors really overreacted. But why they overreact? Of course, minor, small, a little bit negative news. Of course, they took it in a very personal side and they just sold off every single share. But I'm not talking about every single share. I mean, they just sold off. That really pushed down the stock to the lowest level of $116 to $114. That was really nasty. At that point, even the CrowdStrike, before the earnings of NVIDIA, the CrowdStrike earning came, and what happened? The stock surged, and the guidance came not really so positive. And after that, when the NVIDIA's earning came, that earnings really influenced the CrowdStrike, and CrowdStrike really start flushing down. So with this, the entire market was red, but now in the pre-market, the market is green, but NVIDIA is red. But what will happen today? Probably today is the day where NVIDIA will rise. It should go around like $129 to $131. This should happen actually, because I don't see NVIDIA flushing down more. This is just a temporary panic on NVIDIA stock. But a lot of investors, especially, they are considering right now where the future will take the stock. I mean, in 2025, the stock will really keep up with the market values, with the sales value or revenues, whatever. Will it keep up with that 2025 generation or not? But as you know, this company is setting more than $3 trillion in market cap. Well, that's fair enough, because this company also provides a very positive stuff. But compared to Apple and Microsoft, NVIDIA is a little bit different here, because it gained that popularity, it gained that massive market cap of $3 trillion much faster than Apple and NVIDIA. But right now, would it be really fair enough for NVIDIA to go $3.5 trillion in market cap? I really don't think so. That's what the investors were thinking. It would not be fair for this company to go beyond all the companies, means to sit on the top list. This might be the problem, but on the other hand, also, as I told you, they overreacted to the small bad news that were because of the future sales, means more demand and less supply. So this was the problem here. And I think so, this news will just get settled down. But investors, they need a little bit time for this new news to get digested in their stomachs. So I think we gotta have some patience. But for me, it's a very good point to buy the stock. But again, when the market will open and before the market close, or by tomorrow, Friday, and this stock will really have some kind of good levels, so I can add up more and more shares, because NVIDIA will surge. But again, you gotta have patience. This stock really is not bad. It's one of the best stock in the stock market right now. And don't panic, guys, but be careful. Do not use leverage or margin in these kind of flushing in the market, because you might just get roosted. So don't ever try to gamble in the stock market with any kind of stock. So thank you so much for watching this video, and probably see you in the next video. And you can join the group. We day trade, swing trade, and also we are starting a new challenge with $1,000 to turn to $100,000, and you can join and you can enjoy that big thing. And whoever really crosses $50,000 first, $15,000, they will have a cash prize, the winner. So you can join the competition, and it's in the link down in the description below. That is Patreon. You can join the group. The group is really amazing. Believe me, you're gonna love it, and everyone's they are learning, they are enjoying, and they are trading, they're making money, they're growing their accounts. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.